Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about something very simple but very meaningful. Small practice, big result. Many people believe they need long hours every day to become a good artist, but that is not always true. Even a little practice every day can make a big difference. 20 or 30 minutes of focused painting is better than painting only once a month for many hours. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. At first, it feels difficult, but with a little practice every day, your balance improves without you even noticing. Painting works the same way. Every brush stroke teach you and something new. Every painting train your eyes to see colors, light, shapes, and values for clearly. Sometimes we don't see improvement right away, and that can be frustrating. We may feel that we are not getting better, but growth often happens quietly, like a seed growing under the soil. We cannot see the change every day, but it is happening. That one day we look at an old painting and realize how much we have improved. Don't wait for a whole free day to paint. If you only have 15 minutes, use those 15 minutes. Paint a simple tree, a cloud, a flower, or just practice color mixing. Small practice is never wasted. Every minute with a brush makes you a stronger artist. Many people give up because they expect quick result. They want to paint like their favorite artist in just a few weeks. But every great artist has spent years of learning, practicing, making mistakes and trying again. There is no shortcut. The secret is simply to keep showing up. Remember, practice is not about making perfect paintings. Practice is about building better skills. Some days your painting will be wonderful, other days it may not turn out as you hope. Both kind of days help you grow. Imagine filling a bucket with drop of water. One drop looks small, but thousands of drops fill the bucket. Every small painting, every quick sketch, and every color study is one more drop. Over time, those small efforts become great skill and confidence. So don't worry about becoming a great artist overnight. Focus on becoming a little better than yesterday. One extra brush stroke, one new lesson, and one more painting are enough. Small improvement repeated every day lead to big result. Let's make a simple promise to ourselves. We will keep practicing even on busy days. We will enjoy the process, stay patient, and trust that every small effort is taking us closer to our dream. Remember, a great artist are not made in a single day. They are made through small practice, repeated with love, patience, and dedication. Thank you and happy painting to all of you.